Facial hair removal is most common problem for women. Don't worry beauties, here I am with a natural solution, that too without using gelatin or any peel off mask. So without any ado, let's roll into the video. So for this mask we will be needing only one ingredient, that is rice. We all know that rice is the main ingredient in most of the costliest Korean skincare brands like so. Now I am taking a bowl and adding around 2 tablespoons of rice, and then I am adding around 2 cups of water. Yes, it's 2 cups of water. We need to overboil the rice so that we can get that type of consistency that I'm going to show you in a bit. So in that I'm now adding a pinch of turmeric, which is also called as haldi. We all know the benefits of haldi, so I'm not telling all those things. There you go. I have boiled all the rice until all the water has evaporated. I just left a little bit of water. Now let's grind this into a fine paste. Stay tuned till the end so you can see all the live results. Now I am transferring everything into the small little bowl here. These 2 ingredients are completely optional. I am just adding a bit of aloe vera gel and honey. Mixing them all together. Can you see the consistency? We need this type of consistency, so it will be easy when we apply. Now what I do is just keep this into the freezer for a few minutes, or else you can use it as it is, as you wish. So this is the consistency we need. So you can see my hair so badly. You need to apply this a thick layer so that when this is dried up, then it will be easy to peel off. So this is me on cam for first time. Can you see this? How easily it is peeling off? Don't be in a hurry, just do it very slowly, very gently. You don't need to pull this at a single stroke, you just give it the small strokes. This one not just removes the facial hair, but it also removes all the dead cells, blackheads, whiteheads, everything. Can you see that? Oh my god, my camera is not focusing. Oh my god, there's a lot of hair actually. Hope I could show you all. So let me peel this off. This is actually not dried completely. I'm just showing you. Once it is completely dried, it will be most easiest thing to do. Guys, this will not hurt you like all the other peel off mask does, like the charcoal mask or any other mask. This is 100% natural. Can you see the brightness? My skin feels ultra smooth after using this. I have used this like thrice, I think so. Please don't use this daily because it also removes your dead cells. That means it is also exfoliating your skin. If you use it daily, it becomes like over exfoliation. Guys, see this. I'll show you. Can you see that? My tiny little hairs. You could see this. So okay guys, this is it for this video. Hope you all liked it. If you like it, please like, share and comment. And one thing, we are almost near to 100 subscribers, so make it 100 as fast as possible.